Hello, this is a rainy day of November 7th, and this is a wonderful place, a village which is full of dolls. Nagoro. Nagoro in the eastern Shikoku, deep in mountains. Altitude here is about 900 meters above the sea level. And this is not a creepy village like some people say. I think this is a sad village because this is a memorial of disappearing Japanese countryside. Very hard to access. Remote villages are disappearing. People are going to towns and towns are growing and villages become empty. So instead of people, these dolls show what was a typical life in Japanese village in Shikoku. And in particular, very funny view. What is this? This is Koeguro. Koeguro is made from suzuki, from Miscanthus grass. Very typical grass in Japan. It's a so-called C4 grass. So it will grow whole summer, and only in the autumn, like today, November 7th, is a good time to collect and make this koeguro. Koeguro will stay, and then after being under the rain, it start to rot, and this is used not for animals, because very interestingly, the Japanese traditional agriculture was almost lack of animal farming. So this is compost for plants. So koeguro will be dismantled. You can then disperse it over the vegetable gardens or rice fields, and this will be additional fertilizer. So this is how this fertilizer is gathering for the winter. So again, today is November 7th, and this is traditional Shikoku koeguro, thing which is made as fertilizer from Miscanthus, suzuki grass. And again, Nagoro, village of dolls, the memorial of disappearing Japanese countryside. Thank you.